Hey y'all, and welcome back. Last time I talked to you guys, I was rebranding and I dropped some heels. Right now my current website is on pause right now, so you can't see it, but you can check out my Instagram. I'll link it here. You can see how the last drop went, and that rebrand was amazing. It turned out good. The only thing that I say I still want to work on, that's something that I feel like the brand isn't just me yet, was literally finding myself, y'all. I felt like I had to do a little more of soul searching and a little more of what's me to put in this brand, and that's what I was missing, y'all. That's exactly what I was missing. So after a little soul searching, since you guys know that I quit my last job in the previous videos, but I still have my work from home job. So working from home is like, you get the freedom. I'm not gonna take away from that. You get the freedom because I can take my laptop anywhere I choose to travel. However, it can get a little overwhelming because I'm in a house or I'm staring at a screen. I'm typing 8 hours a day, and I'm still on a night shift because the night shift works for me. Yeah, the night shift works for me, so I'm still on a night shift. However, it's not like overnight. I do like 5:30 to 2 a.m. with Thursdays and Fridays off. So I still can like manage my day-to-day routines with that schedule. That's not a problem, but it's a little overwhelming because sometimes I don't even leave the house. And when I don't leave the house, I get too comfortable in the house. And when I'm in the house, I'm being a couch potato. When I'm being a couch potato, I have no motivation, I have no drive. So the hardest part about working from home is getting out the house. Like, of course I get out the house, and if you follow me on social media, you see that I travel. But I haven't been traveling as much lately. I've literally been home stacking up my money, y'all. So during my little soul searching, I come to the realization that I am getting older and I want to do stuff differently in my life. Like, I don't want the same routine. And hold on real quick. Hello?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna call you right back. Okay. So yeah, as I'm getting older, I just don't want the same routine in my life. Like, I'm getting older. I'm almost 30. I'm 28, y'all. In February, I'll be 29. And I want different in my life. Like, I don't want to do the same routine. And I'm not 21 no more. I'm not 22, not 23. I'm 28, going on 29. So I definitely want different in my life. And with that, I don't want to be cutesy no more. I don't want to be that girl no more. I want to be that woman, more modest, more me, more walking in my purpose, more feminine. That's the person who I want to be and been working on to get to this day. But I went through the mindset of how do I get my brand to reflect the person I am today. And that's where we're at today, y'all. So I'm not going to say too much of what I want to do with it, but just know the 4th year anniversary is coming up October 2nd. Today is September 10th. And I got to put the final touches on it, and then we'll be ready to launch. So what's different from all the past launches and rebrands is who I am today as a woman. Not as a little girl, skimpy dresses, club, partying. I don't do any of that no more. And the only thing you'll catch me like out and about is at a bar at the most. So I really just pulled over and got a coffee because y'all know I like my iced coffee, and I'm slowly becoming a Dunkin's girl, y'all. Real bad. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And then I got a sourdough sandwich with, this is really my first time trying it. Oh, it looks so good. I'm gonna show y'all. Cheese and sausage. So we're gonna see how that is. It's my first time. But as y'all know, or probably don't know, but I like to do my thinking when I'm out the house and at a coffee shop. So I'm about to go sit down at the coffee shop, and yes, I did bring my own coffee as always because I'm gonna do it anyways. So I'm about to go sit down and piece together some final things for you guys, and that's really it. Like, I didn't want this to be like the regular vlog videos that I do regarding business, me sitting down and planning, because y'all don't want to see me playing. So I guess I'll just take y'all throughout the rest of the day with me. I do work today, and if y'all want to see like how the schedule is, I'll show y'all that. But there's that. But I'm gonna put this camera down because I'm driving and vlogging, holding the stick. So I'll see y'all when I get there. Finally made it to the coffee shop, and right now I just have 2 meetings on the products that I'm about to drop. I don't want to go too much into detail, but that meeting went good. And for all my business owners out here, it's all about elevating your brand. So I thought about giving up so many times, but the more I think about it, did I really put in the work to give up just yet? No, I don't care how many years it takes me. I'm gonna get where I need to go. Okay, y'all, so I finally made it back home. It's 6:30, so it is time for me to clock in for my job. And I went to Walmart and picked up some lasagna hamburger helper because I want to just throw something together real quick so I can go ahead and work and call it a day. But I really just want to do a relaxing video just to talk to y'all because I like to talk and I'm a yapper. No, seriously, but I did want to take a moment to talk with you guys. Like, what I'm going through, I'm sure someone could relate to it. So it's basically in a matter of elevating with my brand or my brand elevating with the person I am today. And to make that happen, I did have to, cut back on some things and take a few steps. Like, for an example, my Instagram, my personal Instagram, it does not reflect the person who I am. So the people that I followed like 5 or 6 years ago, I probably don't even talk to anymore. I cleaned them out. I unfollowed and did so much. I think I let go at least about 2,000 people on there. Instagram and Snapchat as well. And then the next steps I took was finding myself. I just cut back on a lot of things that I was doing heavily, such as drinking, going out. I no longer do any of that. I also cleaned out my closet and I am doing a whole new wardrobe change because, like I said earlier, I do want to dress more modest and I don't want to show too much skin. But side note, am I the only person who like biscuits with everything, or is it just a country thing? Okay, it may be a country thing. But anywho, back to my rant. So yeah, I just changing up a lot of things, and I'm back in my word and going back to church and just spending some time with myself to really figure out who I am. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.